Let's look at how to connect your Instagram account to Minvo. On the main screen, when you first log into Minvo, you're going to come to the top and click on the Social tab. Next, click Accounts on the left-hand side. And here you can see all the different social media accounts we can connect within Minvo. And you can even see a few that I already have connected. So to connect to your Instagram account, you're going to click Instagram, and you'll find several steps outlined here for you to connect your Instagram account. We're going to click Connect Instagram. You'll be directed to Facebook to put in your passwords. Continue as you. Then we'll click Get Started. And now it's going to take us to Instagram to log in. So we're going to put in our Instagram information, click Login. Next, you have to choose the business account that you want Minvo to connect to. This is a good time to mention you have to have a Facebook page or a business account, and that Instagram account has to be connected to that page in order for you to connect that Instagram account into Minvo. So select the business you want to connect to, click Continue. So here you're going to choose the Facebook pages that you want to be connected. And this is where you want to select that page that is connected to your Instagram account. So with those selected, you're going to click Continue. And now you actually select the Instagram accounts you want to connect Minvo to as well. So I'm going to select these two and click Continue. Review all the permissions that Minvo is requesting and click Save. And now Nick Knobach has been connected to Minvo. And you can see Instagram is now a connected account, and now you can start scheduling and publishing your videos directly from Minvo to Instagram. To learn more about how to publish and schedule your content from Minvo, watch this video. And for more Minvo tips, make sure you're subscribed to the channel.